for everyone in the world. Aditi Devo Bhava, Laidu Devo Bhava, Sangha Sankastu Devo Bhava. Thanks for our Mother Nature for providing pure water, pure and pure air, pure yummy and delicious fruit and vegetables and beautiful flowers surviving this world. Thank you, Mother India, for giving peace to live. Let's pray for the peace in this world. Asatoma Satkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you all for joining this today's 5 AM practice. Now let's start our whole body activation. Take your hand and with these two fingers pinch on the fingers, tip of the fingers. Now press on the line 1 hook press. Phase 2 button press. Line 2 hook press. Skip your thumbs. Phase 3 button press. Skip your thumbs. Now joints. Now we are moving to palm therapy. Take a thumbs and press on the edges of the hand. These are the median points. If you feel any pain, we have to contact our doctor. Now we are moving to ear operation, ear auricular therapy. We have 3 stages in the ear, and we have in first stage we have to pinch and pull our ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next change. Now the middle part of the ear is button press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next change. Now is inner part, button press. This back.
Press one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3. Now, here rotation. Take the thumbs and put behind the ear and pull and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next 10. Now, close your small part of the ear with your thumbs and take your index finger on the eyebrows and middle finger and the ring finger touching our nose, touching our eyes and with the little finger at our edge of the nose, and we have to breathe. While we breathe it, while inhale with a big sound, we have to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, change. Now, don't open your eyes. Take your thumbs and we have to do third eye activation. First, with one finger, inhale and exhale. I will be doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next 10. Change your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next 10. Now, take your hands, rub your palms, nicely generate the heat, feel the warmth, make a cup shape using your palm, place it on your eyes, feel the warmth. With a high energy, take a long breath and hold for a second and slowly release your breath and get relaxed. Release your palm, start blinking your eyes and look at your palms with a beautiful smile on your face and relax. Now we are going to eye exercise, stretching our eyes up, down and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next change. Now, Rataka, most beautiful, powerful exercise. Take your thumbs, your eyes ball, we will get on the tip of the thumb and do like this, touch the nose and take out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next change. Now, thumb rotation, eyeball will on the tip of the thumb and don't turn your head and do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next change. And stretching and moving both hands left and right. Take your hands like this and don't turn your head and do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next change. Now, lazy 8, hold your hand like this and draw a sleeping 8, like horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next change. Now, we are moving to gratitude exercise. Stretch your hands. Reverse. Joints. Bring down. Bring up. Close the heart to the chin. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next change. Release your hand. Come to Namaskar Mudra. Pray for happiness of the world. Sarve janam sukhino bhavantu. Samasta sanmangalani bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now we are moving to 2020 exercise. 6 straight and focus any object which is 20 feet or 20 meters away and Start blinking your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Open your eyes widely and close tightly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next change. Thank you, friends.
Thank you. Thank you, Dhanalakshmi Ma.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank
Happy
you.
morning, Manina.
Okay.
Happy
Thank
morning,
you, madam.
sir.
Good morning,
Yes.
sir.
Namaskaram, Mani sir.
Happy morning, happy morning.
Happy morning. Good morning.
Today just mark the attendance. So please see here. So this is how we would be marking the attendance, and happy to let you know that Yamini got full Katie and all she can update it. So we'll be having every day. We'll be updating all the details. So whatever you do, respond to the thinking challenge, doing that a tiny challenge of the day. So I told you, right? I send you, right? Monday, do a motivational day, Tuesday, tuning day. Even though if you practice, today is a Friday. Friday is a no day. Okay? Friday. So how we need to practice without no negative thoughts, no negative emotions, feelings. So that is what we are going to practice. If you practice it, just keep done. I'm done with the Friday dry day. So that we will be adding you here. So all the activities. Most of the people, they are getting maximum response with the 5 a.m. Okay. And the task, we are going next thing. And then dose. The happiness dose is the third thing. And thinking challenge, people are responding. That is a good thing. And kindness challenge also. So a couple of us has responded, and zero budget treatment we are doing exclusively for our I think Yamini, I think we need to add Lakshmi Narayanan sir also to that change makers group.
Okay, na. Yeah, I'll add him na.
Okay, so just check it out. So Lakshmi
Now,
Narayanan.
once they are registered, we can add them to change makers, right?
No. Change makers are the ones who are going to take this Empower into a next level, like me.
No, what is the criteria for that, na?
For that, you need to become a practitioner, master practitioner, and you should be doing on your own.
Okay.
That is the thing. You need to add all the registered people into a registered members.
Okay, na.
Members, that's it. Change makers is an entirely different group where I will be training you people exclusively on various aspects.
Okay, na.
And remember, guys, whatever I'm sharing in the group of change makers, that actually involves cost. Okay. So someone is sponsoring me where I am learning and I am sharing it with you. That is not a free of cost, and that is not supposed to share it with others simply by forwarding. So please be cautious on those aspects. And I want every one of you to look into it. Take a ownership of one initiative, like zero budget treatment. 1% take the full ownership, and memory training. 1% take the full ownership. And if somebody want to take auricular therapy, take full ownership. Like this, we can do a switch words. We have it. So Gopi sir is there. We have a different aspects actually. Mudra therapy, 1% take a ownership. Each change maker take one full ownership and make sure we all can practice. So the owner, what they need to do is they send that specific thing in a group. Got it? So for example,
Yes,
Mudra
sir.
therapy, if you are the leader, you send today's Mudra therapy of the day. That one image, you send it to the people. Let them practice, let them do. And then just reply, ask them to reply, done. That's it.
So we'll be posting in our main group, is it not?
Yes.
Like
Main group, and your responsibility is to track them. Again, you need to give the attendance here. So that
Okay,
you
na.
see So each change maker will have their own club. For example, if you take Mudra therapy, I want to be a leader for Mudra therapy, you will be the responsible person to create the design. I can help you in preparing the template, not a problem. But you need
Okay,
to
now.
make sure that we'll see which club is actually. So we are giving all those aspects, but at the end of the day, it is the learner's duty to practice it or not. That's it. We are providing it. So the ultimate goal in Empower is to help people to make them powerful with the two aspects. One is the happiness, second one is the health. We want to focus on two aspects. This is the two eyes. Remember, the two eyes of Empower vision is health and happiness. And DNA is an uniqueness, right? DNA of Empower is practice every day. That's it. Do every day. It is the thing, only thing. That is what we ask. That is the reason why we see the attendance, whether they are regular or not. If you see, even here itself, I told in the group, we have more than 250 members. Today I shared memory training yesterday. So in Empower, how many members we have? Totally, we have 222 members. But out of it, registered are 18 members. Out of registered, we are getting 6 members in the regular classes. This is how the world is. Let us not blame anyone, but everyone will have their own priorities. The ultimate goal is, are we equipping them? நம்ம அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கிறோமா? இந்த வாய்ப்பு யாருக்குமே கிடைக்காது, ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க.
கண்டிப்பா சார்.
The same இந்த எல்லாம் பண்ணணும்னா there are people who spends lakhs. இதே கோர்ஸ் வந்து ஜஸ்ட் வந்து இப்ப நானே வந்து கொடுக்கலாம். டிப்ளமா சர்டிபிகேட் கோர்ஸ் இன் ஜீரோ பட்ஜெட் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட், டிப்ளமா இன் ஜீரோ பட்ஜெட் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட், அட்வான்ஸ்ட் டிப்ளமா இன் ஜீரோ பட்ஜெட் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட். அந்த மாதிரி நானும் ஒரு கோர்ஸ் போட்டோன்னா வச்சுக்கோங்க, நம்மளோட கிரெடென்ஷியல்ஸ் எல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு will earn lot. என்ன மேம் கரெக்டா? தனலட்சுமி மேம்.
Yes sir, yes sir, correct.
Our ultimate goal is to not earn the money. Our ultimate goal is to make people to be happy, learn and practice to be happy and to be healthy. அவ்வளவுதான். நம்மளுக்கு வேற எதுவுமே தேவை. நீ சந்தோஷமா இருப்பா. That is what our ultimate goal. You be happy, you be healthy. That's it. For that only we are working. And I need your support as a change maker. I'm sitting here doing all these aspects, and I choose you people as a change makers so that you will take a responsibility to do similar tasks. Take one task, do it from the home and see if you can take it. So we'll have internal clubs like Mudra therapy club, like auricular therapy club, like Sujok therapy club. Everything comes under zero budget treatment. So let us not have a zero budget treatment in one thing. We'll find we can divide this zero budget into a clubs again. What do you say? This is a Sujok therapy actually. It's not a zero budget, right? So we can call it as Sujok therapy. Like this, we can change auricular therapy and switch word. So if you can see in the document itself, we have all those aspects. Whatever the document, please don't share the documents and all. Again, I'm telling you that involves cost actually. There is a huge amount of time, efforts and resource have been involved. It's not just a simply forwarded document. So kindly respect on it, and whenever you get some message in Changemakers group, that is very, very important message. So kindly acknowledge it. So whether you understood it or not. So otherwise, if you be in a silent like on another groups, that will be kind of a thing. Be active in that group. I don't mean you have to be active always. Whenever you see the message, you see if you can understand or not. See if you can take it something or not. So that we have together. That is what I'm telling you. When I started Empower, it's only me. Now I have a 6-member team in Empower. So I want similar to this thing. I want to grow it. so that we can make a huge difference. So even now I have sent a couple of groups. We are all totally, we are 10 members. I'm happy that even Lavanya is also there. So let us all together make a difference. ஒருத்தர்னால எவ்வளவு பண்ண முடிஞ்சதுன்னா 10 பேர் இருக்கிறோம் எவ்வளவு பண்ண முடியும், right?
Sure, na.
Are we all together?
Yes, na.
Yes, Manisha, we are with you.
I don't want to change the entire world right now. I want you to change your world first. You be happy, you be healthy. I want to be happy, I want to be healthy. Be selfish. Don't be in a fish into a tank. Be selfish. Okay. So you do it, and then you make your family happy and healthy. Don't go to your friends and society. First you make your own family and friends, family happy and healthy. See, when I learned this zero budget treatment, first thing I did is I treated my mother. Even now I tell the same thing. First question I asked, did you practice it? Morning I asked the question. Evening I asked the question. As I asked, did you finish your food? Saptiya and kekara mariye mudichiya. I brought the acupressure kit and I told her, நீ மட்டும் பண்றது கிடையாது, உன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வேற யாராவது இருந்தாலும் நீ சொல்லு வேணும்னா. இப்ப பெரியம்மா வராங்க, அவங்க பண்ணுவாங்க. So that the people started. அவங்களுக்கே தெரியுது. She used to tell that I have a lot of pains and all. Vijayalakshmi ma'am, whenever she said I have pains, my mother has the same problem. So I keep on saying the same thing to her. So did you practice it today? Did it today? That is what I'm saying. To practice, you make your family practice, then you can go to a neighborhood, then go to a community, then go to a society. And I'm sure that in the next couple of months, each and every one of you will become an expert. Agree? But that can be done only if you practice daily. I don't want your whole day. Please spend minimum 5 to 10 minutes for each activity. Minimum 30 minutes to dedicate for an empower. So first, you go through the document, you decide who want to be the leader for Sujok, who want to be the leader for switch words, who want to be the leader for different aspects. So we have 10 members. 10 members, let us take memory also, we can take one aspect. So let us work on it. First, we'll have an internal discussion. I'm still yet to plan for Yamini, check with the change makers. என்னைக்கு வைக்கலாம் மீட்டிங்? ஒரு ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு அரை மணி நேரம் மட்டும்தான். ஸோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், வாட் இஸ் த அஜெண்டா? த அல்டிமேட் கோல் ஆஃப் தட் மீட்டிங் இஸ் டு டெல் த பீப்புள் வை வி ஆர் ஹியர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங், வை த சேஞ்ச் மேக்கர்ஸ் ஆர் தேர் அண்ட் வாட் தே கேன் டூ அண்ட் ஹவு தே கேன் டூ. இந்த 3 கேள்விங்களுக்கும் வில் பி கிளாரிஃபைங் வித் த டவுட்ஸ் கிளாரிஃபிகேஷன். தென் ஃப்ரம் 1st October onwards, we have only 6 days. We are going to do a dedicated buddy system, so that we need to be prepared. Okay, just check with them. We can have it even Sunday 12 p.m. also. I'm fine.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll ask them.
Yeah, Sunday 12 noon. Let's check it out. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, Manisha.
I think it's already 5:40. Let's switch to task. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manisha.